Hi everyone, meet the Besiletre Lifelike Reborn baby doll, an 18-inch realistic newborn girl doll. Crafted by professional artists, she features handmade hair, hand-applied eyelashes, and lifelike skin texture for a truly authentic look. This doll comes with poseable vinyl limbs and a soft vinyl body, dressed in interchangeable 3-month-old baby clothes and shoes. Perfect for birthdays or role-playing, it provides endless joy and companionship for children aged 3 and up. The set includes a nursing bottle, magnetic pacifier, birth certificate, and a charming cherry outfit in a beautiful gift box. Made from high-quality, non-toxic materials, it meets strict safety certifications ASTM F963 and N71. Experience the magic of holding a doll that feels just like a real baby with Besiletre. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.